I told myself I wasn't going to buy any more RC cars, but then my son spotted this for $15 at our local thrift store, and well, here we are. It's crazy because it was tucked away at the bottom shelf, but the minute he saw it, his eyes lit up. Okay, who am I kidding? My eyes lit up too. I noticed the steering knuckle was broken, but at $15, it was a no-brainer. I had to take it home. The part only cost $10, but it took 30 days to arrive. And if you ever waited for parts, you know that's the hardest part, especially for a kid. Every single day, my son was asking, "Dad, did it come in yet? Dad, is it here yet? Do we have the part?" Finally, it arrived, and together we got to work. We grabbed our tools, threw on some music, and got it all done. Little by little, screw by screw, it started to come back to life. My son didn't just watch though, he helped, and that made it all worth it. His RC car now, it runs like a dream. $15, one broken part, and a memory I'll never forget. Sometimes the best finds aren't about the price tag, they're about the time spent together. Yup, after all that hard work, it only took him 5 minutes to crash it and break it. Now we gotta order more parts and get that fixed. But that will be a video for another day. But if you like what you see and you want to follow us, please subscribe, like all our videos. My son would really appreciate it. This is honestly his idea. He's been wanting to do a YouTube channel for a while, so please, please, please subscribe.